In this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek in VS Code for free. So for this, you will go to Visual Studio Code, and right now here you can see I have on the Visual Studio Code interface. What you will do, at first you will go to your project directory and now open a project here. So right now you will see this type of interface. What you will do, look. So right now if you want to use DeepSeek for free, what you will have to do, so we were going to use a third-party extension for this. You will go to this extension tab, and here you need to search the extension called it Cline. Okay, Cline is an autonomous coding agent right in your IDE. It's capable of creating, editing files, running commands using the browser, and more permission every step on the way. So using this popular plugin called it Cline, you can use DeepSeek for free. Let me install this, and you can see it's already installed. When it's installed, you will see this is the Cline icon. You will click here, and right now you will see something like this. How will you use Cline? You can go with absolutely free. Let me continue. And here you can see right now GLM 5.3 Flash is free. Here DeepSeek V4 Flash is also free, and Laguna S2.1 is free. If you want to use DeepSeek V4 Flash, what you will have to do, look here, you can simply need to create an account on Cline. Okay, so let me click create an account. Now we'll open it in a browser. So if you don't have an account, you will create an account using your email address. You can go with continue with Google, Microsoft, and GitHub. I have already an account, so I will continue with my account. So let me click continue with Google and choose my account. You will have a confirmation code. Click confirm. So you can see, oh, you are all set. If you back to Visual Studio Code, right now you can see complete your account creation, and right now you will see something like this. So from here you would like to use DeepSeek in VS Code for free. So what you will do, here you can see the model option. You will click here, and now you can see Cline uses billing. Here you will have all of these options. You can use it with others provider like Anthropic, OpenRouter, Olama. So all of these are paid, and if you want to use for free, you can go with Cline uses billing. And now you can see, so all of this free model is available. You can choose GLM 5.3 Flash, DeepSeek V4 Flash, and any model here. If you click this and then if you click done, you can see right now DeepSeek model is selected and you can use it for free. Okay, let's to try. For example, here at first I will prompt hi. Let me click, and here we can see this is cost nothing. It's completely working. If you want to build any project, you can just do that. Here you can see the context limit is maximum context window size of the model is 1 million. Okay, right now 3.2 context consume. And here let me try to build, I'll say create a HTML file for a employee table. Okay, and here you will have plan mode and act mode. If you want to planning, you can switch to the plan mode, and if you are just directly want to action, then you can just select this act mode. Let me click this arrow, and now we can see creating a HTML file. It's required to run some command. So process while running, and see it's processing. Now you can see the HTML file for employee table is created. If you check this, you can see it's already created. You can just open it by clicking go live, and now you can see this is your employee list. Okay, so by following away, you can use Cline to use DeepSeek for free. And here you can see the token already used, and the most important thing is that, so this free trial has context limit. If you want to get better performance, you will have to purchase DeepSeek API credit, and then you can just use the latest DeepSeek model with better performance.